Enter a warm and whimsical world of discovery with two amazing Winnie the Pooh video collections.
He's Winnie the Pooh, Winnie the Pooh. Will we never silly old bear?
There's Pooh Playtime. 5 play-along fun videos.
Ah, it's playtime, is it?
Cynically.
Packed full of laughter, friendship, and imagination. You'll also love the 5 special Pooh learning videos with loving lessons on growing up, like how to share.
Why, thank you, Piglet.
There are 10 delightful Winnie the Pooh videos.
Hooray!
The 5 Pooh Playtime and the 5 Pooh Learning. Be sure to collect them all.
Yeah, got it! Now a deal!
From Walt Disney Home Video.
Exactly.
Walt Disney Home Video invites you to bring home a brand new puppy for your kids.
With a smile and a laugh, he can light up your day.
He's
Like
Spot.
the sun peeking over the hill.
Based on the best-selling books by Eric Hill, these irresistible videos offer an educational and fun way for young children to discover their world. And Spot's won many awards, too, including one of Oppenheim Toy Portfolio's Best Video for Kids Awards and a 1995 Parents' Choice Gold Award for Video. He's sure to become your kid's favorite puppy. He's Spot, and he's available on video from Disney.